Good morning, everyone. Welcome to day 2 of our Bloody Battle 5-star No Nature. Let's see what. Oh, defense is at a B. Yesterday I had 4 wins, 1 loss. So let's see what we do today. Okay, so they have 2 healers. Okay, this should be. Kind of want to use what I have here. I do need a cleanse, so I think I might have to use this version of Sonya instead. Let's see here. And then I think. I don't know if they have minions or not. Let's see. They don't. I feel like I should use a dark hero. What do you think? Should I give Freya a chance? And let's actually use. We don't need a. We don't need a dispel. Okay. I think this works. Okay. All right. I'm going to do this horizontal ice match. It'll bring this tile up, and then I can do another one. I can do a vertical match of the 4. I have 2 holy matches. There's one right here. Okay. So I think I'm going to focus more on the right side because the main attackers are over there. Hmm. Can I kill Kunshin with tiles? No, I could do this though. I think we need to get rid of. Oh, he's frozen, so. Well, not frozen, but silenced. I don't know if I want to disturb Costin Vivica. What is he at? 348? Hmm. Okay, now we can set off Vivica. Wait, let's get more minions first before we do that. Yeah. All right, so that's flag number 1. All right, I'm looking for my stylus. Um, okay. Ooh, we got the big players, the duck and the unicorn, and costuming. Okay. I think we're gonna need more than Freya. We're gonna need a cleanse. Let me see here. Do they have minions? No. We have a cleanse? Yes. Or I wonder if I should actually have costume Sabina to... Nah, let's go with this. I think I'm going to stay with the Holy Team. Man, I'm always losing that thing. Yeah, let's go with this right here. This looks good. Looks even more impressive when they give you good tiles. All right. Let's see what we're gonna do. Woo-hoo-hoo! I found it. All right. Okay. Let's see. Got a lot of greens. Well, looks like I could possibly get Gravemaker up. That'll be a start. I'm gonna do this vertical red to bring this yellow tile over here, and then do those yellows there. Oh. No problem. Let's see. Well, the good thing is he doesn't heal from these. Well, didn't have a good board there. Let's see here. I guess they're having me stick with holies. Let's see here. Well, actually, I really don't need a cleanse. Wait, hold on one second. Let me check. Okay. Oh, one more. Sure, a lot of greens. Okie dokie. Oh boy, that was close. Let's go here and let's open up these chests. All right. So, flag number 4. Okay, this is going to require a different team altogether. Wait, okay. I'm going to use Ursina. That'll combat Akarog. And then I'm going to have Ice Heroes. And then we're going to do a Fire Hero to use those tiles. I wonder, so let's see here. I don't want to have all slow hero or average heroes. Let's have a balance. Okay. Let's see how this looks. We're going to need a cleanse somewhere. So I wonder if using Cosm Sabina would probably be better off. Ailment protection. Although we won't benefit from the heal. Okay, let's go with that. Okay. It's not too many options of moves. Well, this will kill Nima for sure. Oh, did she bypass that? The left side is locked. They hit the same hero. Oh, these boards have been whack. Alright, oh boy. I got an idea. We'll do... Well, I don't really want to use him. I don't really need to. We're going to have to do a dispel. I think we're going to use... Should we do Lishu? And then our other form would be... Let's just keep Frida, but I don't know. She tends to die too easily. We're going to need a cleanse. Then... let's see here. Should I use Annabelle? That's also Dispel. What's going to be my majority color? Maybe Holy? I have 3 forms of Dispel. We have a Cleanse. I think this should work. Provided I get a decent board. What's up with nature tiles when they're not allowed? Oh boy, here we go again with these boards. Let's see if she can dispel. Oh, she doesn't. Okay. I know I did that in the wrong order, but... Okay. Terrible day 2. Just... Alright. Hopefully you guys did better with your tournament. I'll catch you for day 3.